the fuck just happened? Please drive faster. Please drive faster. Please understand that I care about my life. Look, I don't know what the fuck you did to piss this guy up, but you're gonna have to let me out and call the cops. Hey! What are you doing? Oh, shit! What are you doing? I think we lost him. Can you let me out at the next corner, please? Whoa! Shit! Fuck! Oh, shit! He's right there! Look, I'm an accountant. I'm just an accountant. He's fucking persistent, you know? Oh, fuck! You kick his ass! Fucking shoot him! What are you doing? What are you shooting a car for? Huh? Are you crazy?
Grab the wheel.
Oh, where are you going? Oh, get back in here! Oh, my God! I'm sorry!
Gun!
What?
Under the seat!
Here! Look out!